Life is back with another video. Another one. That's right. We are getting our daily dose of cooking rice with Ava Rice. We're about to check out our progress, see if we've got those B&B divs. And we got 32.69 ABC to collect on day 10's auction. Right now, currently, we are into day 12 auction. But before we get into all these quick Ava Rice updates, you know what we always got to do. Let's jump into the Passive T Life Express. That's right. Thank you so much for supporting all of the videos, taking your time out to view them, taking the time out to smash the like, taking the time out to leave a comment, and most of all, taking that time out to click that little red box that says subscribe, and making sure also giving me a follow on Twitter. Thank you so much for the support. Should you like looking for passive income opportunities and sailing the DeFi ocean like I do, jump on board. Let's jump into the quick Ava Rice update. So, 13,984 members in yesterday's video now, June 13th, no, day before yesterday, because today is the 15th. So 2 days ago, let's check our progress on Ava Rice. Let's see how many participants. Give me the participants. Come on, D-Life, what are you doing? Okay, here we go. So, 12,136 participants. I don't know. I mean, this is the most I've ever covered a project platform on the channel. I want to say possibly. I got to go into my analytics and check it out. But this ABC token and the Ava Rice platform, I mean, it's just growing. This has to be one of the fastest growing dApps, platforms, projects, whatever you want to call it, your choice, on the BSC chain right now. Just gained over 1,000 new participants, pretty much 2,000, because we're about to hit 14,000 shortly in a space of 2 days. Another round of applause for Ava Rice. And let's jump in now and collect our 32.615 ABC tokens. As we did get into the auction on day 10, that was a 1,700 B&B deposit day. Shout out to day 6, which I did get in, which is the top deposit day so far, 12 days into Ava Rice's lifetime. 3,131 B&B. That's right. I know. I knew there was gonna have a lot of B&B that day, so that's why I got in, and I took the longest stake of 300 days. You know, don't take a 300-day stake. This is only educational and entertainment purposes only. You know, I'm only a skipper on board the PDL Express. I'm not a financial advisor. Always make sure be responsible for your digital assets and only put what you can afford to lose into any project. Yes, I knew that was going to be the day, by the way. Tap myself on the shoulder. So, collecting this 32.69, and you know what we're going to do with that? We're going to stake that for, let's say, 30 days. Let's do a 30-day stake on that. And today, so far, it's 400 B&B. There's 7 hours and 53 minutes left to go in today's auction. Could today be possibly a good day to get into the auctions, get into the lobby? I don't know. You know what? My mind is telling me on Friday we're going to have a big day. We're going to have a big deposit day this Friday. You know what Fridays are. MFs on the D-Life Express. So, yeah. I think I'm going to get back in the lobby on Friday. I'm going to push for that. So, that is my challenge to myself to get in there in the lobby. What's your challenge? Is Ava Rice going good for you? Are you an Ava Rice? Please leave a comment. Let me know if you are. Let me know what you think about this platform that we have added to the PDL engine room. And right now, let's see how and possibly if we are earning any BNB divs as yet. So let's go ahead and refresh first of all because our tokens should have been collected. Drum roll. Boom. We have no, wait a minute. We've got 43 tokens collected so far. And now we could go ahead and stake those 32 tokens. And we could check out our BNB divs. That's right. So far, we have earned 0.001 BNB. That is awesome. Judging that, let's see what we deposited that day into the primetime machine. We go. Let's jump into the primetime machine. Our first day getting into the lobby. Okay, I think this is the day that we did FOMO in here. Let's blow it up. How much did we deposit? No, is that the day that we staked? No, we did 0.012. Yeah, so we did 0.012 BNB on the first day, and we were projected to get 15, but unfortunately we didn't. So you don't know what you're gonna get when you get into the lobby. Sometimes you can get more, sometimes you can get less. That is the risk to the platform. And of course, this is new, and we could get a 404 error. Anything is possible in this space. Or you could hang out with Aladdin and jump on the rug and right on through the lava pit and try to get to the end of the stage, but possibly you might not. You might get burnt because I always did back then. All right, great. So let's close that out. We don't need that anymore. So let's jump in now to Ava Rice. Not bad, not bad. We have already earned. Let's go into the BNB and see how many pennies. So 21 cents we've already earned in BNB divs. And looking forward to seeing when we add one BNB. That would be great. That would be awesome. Because we would have already almost ROI'd already in a space of just a week. So another round of applause to Ava Rice and us ROIing in less than 30 days. Majority of projects that you have out there, especially the ones that D-Life is into, like the miners, you know, ROI could be up to 60 days, 90 days. So yeah, Ava Rice is, it's past growing now. I think it's possibly might be here for the next 30 days. So let's go ahead and let's give it a go. Let's go ahead now. And we've got 33 tokens. And we're going to do this for 30 days. And then we're going to go ahead and once we collect those divs and this AVC, buy more AVC and then stake again. So, and then take that other AVC that we're going to possibly put in on Friday and then put that like a day after. So hopefully we could get to like a compound ladder effect where we're getting BNB possibly every week, and then also growing our AVC tokens and our stakes at the same time, and just taking advantage of this project because we don't know how long it's going to be here technically. But good thing is that we got one person that showed his face, so hopefully these guys are here for the long run, and possibly we could get to that cooking with Ava Rice freedom. So let's go ahead and stake that 33B, not 33 BNB, oh man, I wish. Let's go ahead and stake that 33 AVC tokens for 30 days on the PDL Express live. Now that's what I'm talking about. That is a beautiful gas fee there. 0.002, and compared to what we had, that 0.01. Not bad at all. Wait for the drum roll. Boom! Successfully staked 33 AVC for 30 days. Let's go ahead now. And we'll go ahead and refresh. See if our stake ends up now in our dashboard. Now you know that a lot of people are on AVC. Okay, here we go. Because the sites even take much longer to load now, they might have to upgrade those servers. There's definitely a lot more people getting here. So we have our 33 and our bonus tokens final 0.38. Bonus tokens 12.9. I gotta go into the white paper and read about those bonus tokens to see exactly how that goes. So looking forward to tomorrow's countdown when we should be getting our projected divs for our 33 AVC stake. So should you choose to get into AVC, the link will be in the description. And you don't have to get in here with the bag. You could get in with a little bit out of the bag and just shoot some BNB at it. Try it as an experiment. You know, I'm liking this platform just because of the growth, really and truly. The last thing that I've seen grown so far like this in this year was Big Beans. 35,000 BNB in a month, I would say, in the contract. And of course, you know, we're down to like 4 or 5,000 now because, yeah, people, they like to eat beans. Beans taste real good. This is D-Life Air with our 30-day stake, with the BNB growing in the balance, with the participants growing. Make sure, leave a like, leave a comment, tell me what you think about Avarice, and make sure, click that bell. Should you do, please become a subscriber. That would be awesome. I appreciate that support. I am over and out. Stay tuned. Until the next one.